vacuum. Okay.
I love it. This your living room?
That's my living room.
You can make it work, girl.
Yeah.
There's always that one person that will always have your heart. You never see it coming 'cause you're blinded from the start. Know that you're the one for me. It's clear for everyone to see. Ooh, baby, oh, you will always be my boo.
Oh, is that on camera?
Yeah, I'm sure it was.
Oh!
Why you got your coat on?
My
Shit.
titty!
Oh, poor baby.
Do we look alike? Everybody say we twins. Look, Ma.
Y'all want me to take pictures on a bad day, hair day, wig day, hat day, all that day.
The fatter I get, not the older I get, the fatter I get, the more I look like her.
Did y'all hear that shade? Did y'all hear that? Throw that little shade in there.
The fatter I get, the more I look like my mama. So yeah, that's enough for the cleaning. We just got a few more things that we need to do. If you watch the video up to this point, I'm gonna go ahead now and hit you with what you want to see. Hopefully you did not fast forward. If you fast forward this video to get to the next part, go back. What you doing? So I'm gonna hit y'all with what you want to see, and this is the official apartment tour of my new modern luxury apartment. Let's go. This is a little I'm gonna try my best to do this for y'all. Bear with me. Entryway, okay? So when you first walk in, it looks like this. This right here is a linen closet. That's the door, and it's my laundry closet. Okay, so that's that view. But now I'm gonna take y'all to the opposite view. Oh, I didn't even know that was there. I have a light. Yeah, I'm still learning stuff about this house. I should keep that on. And then when you look this way, it is my beautiful kitchen that I love. This sold me on the apartment. So we come this way, open concept. There is my living room that we'll see from the opposite view in a second. This crappy camera is doing it no justice. This is my beautiful island, y'all. You can't really see this on the camera. Oh, kinda. Y'all see how it like sparkles? You walk this way. I have Whirlpool appliances for everything. My fridge, I just moved here. This is my second day in this apartment, so nothing is in here. We have to go grocery shopping. I will take y'all with me. The content is about to be a thing, okay? This one, I ain't never seen nothing like it. I ain't never had it. This is my fridge down here. So moving on up a bit, I got the fridge area, got some ice, and I'm actually about to eat some of this ice. Didn't even know that was in there. This is my finish. It's like a nice gray, and I have silver hardware. My drawers, I love these drawers, never seen nothing like it. My drawers, they automatically close, so they're not just slam. So once I get about there, boom, cute. This is, oh, you can see the sparkle on this one a bit. Y'all see that? This is the same finish as my island. Here, I have a Whirlpool dishwasher, y'all. I'm so excited for this. Never seen nothing like it. Stainless steel. It's like flat top. I've never turned it on. It's my stove. Let's take a look on the inside. Pretty clean. And then this right here is a little housewarming gift that the apartment left me as well too. So that is that. And then have the microwave. Same, the Whirlpool microwave. All of the finishes. Pretty nice size. So that looks like that. I haven't even opened these cabinets, so let's open them together. Cool. A lot of space. Same up here. Oh, it's a little plug up there for the microwave. I'm most def gonna be unplugging that because sis likes to save money. Boop. Hope this tour is going okay, y'all. I'm trying. So yeah, and then over here, pretty cool. I really like this. I have the USB outlets as well to take that out because we saving money. My sink, never seen nothing like it. I'm gonna keep saying that, y'all, but this modern lifestyle is new for me. I did not grow up with nice things like this at all. So it's water, of course, but I like this because it kind of like retracts down so you can wash all the haters away. Ha. Then above my island, I have these really cute lights that I absolutely love. They move. They move. I did not know that. So those lights right above. And then I have these lights up here as well too. So same finish as my island. It's that sparkle. Oh, you can see the sparkle on this one for sure. Yeah, I look a mess, y'all, so excuse me. But I have this really long mirror in my bathroom. It looks like this. I hope this tour is going okay, y'all. I'm trying. I'm tired. I'm stressed. I'm all of that, but I'm trying. And then I have this. Let me try to turn it off. It looks like that. That's what the light looks like. Okay. Nice little sink area. I love the shape of that. It's really cute. I'm gonna try to keep this area clear. I'm gonna probably just put like a plant or something there. I'm going for like real minimalist vibes this time. Just slide that boy in there like that, like that. So tissue right there. And then y'all, I cannot wait. Let me turn this light on. I cannot wait for my first bath in here. Look at this, y'all. Do y'all see this tub? It is so deep. We need to get in there. We gotta get in there for the camera. We got to get in there. Clothes on and all. Oh yes, sir. It's lit. The tub is so deep. Everything, and it's really big too. So I love how this kind of has like a curvature to it. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera. There you go. It's like a curvature to it, so we got to get new curtains and all of that. I have a little towel rack here, and then I have a little hook. So simple, but never seen nothing like it. We're gonna go into the room. It's not where the magic is going to happen this time around. We're not bringing those spirits in this house. Not gonna happen. So let's go into my room, guys. Oh, it's dark and I don't have a light. And then here is my closet. Absolutely love it. All the space for me to lose weight and get back fine. So I have some already built-in shelves here, and very sturdy as well too. It looks like that. Pretty big and a very nice size closet. So yeah, walk-in closet. Just saw us clean a bit, and you just saw my unfurnished apartment tour. If you love it, please comment down below. You knew that. You gotta put new that with a whole bunch of T's, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna get myself together, y'all. I'm a mess, but it's crunch time right now. I got so much going on. I'll catch you all in the next one. It's up from here. Happy New Year. It's gonna be a great year for us here on this channel. So yeah, you all take care, and I will see you next time. I'm Chaz, signing out. Peace. Thanks for the continued support, and if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos.